Have you ever noticed there are portraits all around us? A great place to find out more about portraits is at the National Portrait Gallery here in the heart of London. The gallery is free and open to everyone. People come here every day to explore the hundreds of portraits on display. Inside, you'll find portraits of people who have done amazing or interesting things. Some of them might look like people you know. You might find a portrait of a famous singer, a top footballer, a campaigner for equal rights, or someone who made an amazing discovery that changed the world. People visit the gallery for lots of different reasons. Some come to look at their favourite portraits, others come to get new ideas for their own artwork, and some come on a school visit with their class and teacher, like you. When you arrive with your school group, someone will be here to welcome you and help you with your visit. They'll show you where you can put your coats and bags, where you can go to the toilets, where you can eat your lunch, and they'll show you how to get around the gallery. If you need any help or have any questions during your visit, your teacher or class leader will be with you, or you could ask any of the people who work at the gallery. The gallery team have badges and wear a uniform, so you'll easily be able to spot them. I've invited some friends along to help me explore. There's so much to discover, and there are so many different ways to enjoy the gallery. Jacob is using one of the gallery's special activity sheets. And Ben has decided to spend some quiet time looking at the portraits. Looking carefully and making sketches of the portraits can help you spot tiny details that might make you see them in a different way. And it might give you ideas for creating your own portraits. Portraits can express lots of ideas, feelings, and emotions. The person might look happy, sad, thoughtful, curious, or something else. There's a lot to discuss about all the artwork on display. The portraits in the gallery are really precious, so whilst we're here, we need to be very careful. It's great to explore, but remember to move through the gallery calmly and quietly. You can spend as long as you like looking at the portraits. You can even take photos, but please do not touch the artwork or the frames. The gallery can sometimes get busy, but you can still get nice and comfortable in this space. When you visit, you might just explore the portraits on display with your class, or you might even have a workshop in the gallery's Learning Centre. If your group has booked a session, then you'll be learning from one of the gallery educators about an art or history topic you may have been thinking about in your classroom. The session might involve talking and thinking about portraits, or trying out different ways of making your own art. And you'll get to go and look at the amazing portraits on display too, of course. After your visit, you can keep exploring portraits online through Schools Hub, which has lots of really interesting activities and videos about different portraits, artists, and incredible people who have shaped the world we live in. So, we've all been exploring the gallery today and it's been great fun, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You enjoyed yourself? I've had a great time. But what has been your favourite bits?
I mean, I enjoyed it all, but I really like seeing the unfinished pictures, because I think obviously there's loads of finished ones, but those few that aren't finished, you can see the thought process that goes into making them. I thought that was really cool.
Excellent.
I really enjoyed looking at all the portraits and the old-fashioned ones because they really got me thinking.
Dylan, what's been your best bits?
The best bit was probably the big room with the big paintings.
Well, do you know what I enjoy about it? I enjoyed seeing all the different types of people in the portraits and wondering, what their lives were like. So that's given you a really good idea of what it's like to visit the National Portrait Gallery. So, come and explore. There are over 1,000 portraits here waiting for you.